Hi there, I'm auditioning for Sims 2 voiceover series Star by 333 Purple Monkey. The first people I'll be auditioning for is Christina/Kayla, so here I go, line 1. Oh my god, Mom, the weirdest thing happened in school today. I was looking at Mr. Moore's chair thinking how funny it would be if it just moved when he went to sit down, and it did move. Line 2, I'm a what? Line 3, Kayla. Next is Emily, line 1, Sweetie, I have to tell you something. Line 2, it's about your father. Line 3, yeah, you are, but not the kind of way Sissy is. Next is Kimmy. Line 1, hi, I'm Kimmy. Line 2, this is Taylor, my BF. Line 3, that's Jake. He acts like no girl here is good enough for him. Next is Sydney. Line 1, why wasn't I told we had a new girl? Line 2, well, just stay out of my way. Line 3, I fly, duh. And lastly is Mary. So here I go, line 1. No, we aren't dating, we are married. Line 2. Well, when you are a star, we don't have laws. Line 3. I can't. And that is my audition for the Sims 2 voiceover series Star by 333 Purple Monkey.